Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall updates on Windows 11 and fix issues like black screen, slow performance, BSOD, and whatever issue you are facing after installing the update. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Windows 11 KB5074109. But the process is same for other updates that is causing issues on your PC. Click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings, switch to Windows Update. On the right side, locate and click Update History. Now before moving forward, make sure if the problematic update is installed on your PC. In my case, KB5074109 is listed. So let's move forward. Scroll down to Related Settings section and then click Uninstall Updates. On this setting page, locate the problematic update like this is in my case. Click on the Uninstall button next to it. And when this dialog box appears, click Uninstall again. Now process will take few minutes. Once done, you will be asked to restart your computer. It's an important step for uninstalling the update. Again, while rebooting and uninstalling the update, your PC will restart several times. So don't do anything until you reach to Windows 11 lock screen. And this confirms that you have successfully uninstalled the update and issue caused by this update will be fixed. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.